Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You will stop syncing photos by acting in the Accounts area. Start now. First, check which account is actively syncing, Apple, Google, or Microsoft, and back up your library to a local drive so nothing is lost. Once done, open Settings or the Photos app and navigate straight to Accounts or iCloud/backup. Make sure you are signed into the correct account. This avoids accidental changes to the wrong profile, and it prepares the device, so the next steps will remove sync safely. Now disable the actual sync. In each account's photo settings, flip the Photo Sync or iCloud Photos toggle off. If prompted, choose Remove from Device only if you already have a backup, otherwise keep on device. Next, open any third-party cloud apps such as Dropbox or OneDrive and disable camera uploads there too. These are commonly overlooked. Once toggled off, wait a few minutes and then verify storage. Make sure the system shows local copies if you chose to keep them, and confirm Cloud Sync stops updating new shots. Finish by confirming the changes on the Cloud web dashboard. Take a new test photo and ensure it does not appear online. If you see queued uploads, clear them and then reboot your device to force settings to apply. If syncing still persists, sign out of the account and sign back in, or revoke and re-grant app permissions. This resets background upload tokens. One key troubleshooting tip: check other linked devices, phones, tablets, or cameras, because they can reintroduce photos if they still have syncing enabled.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.